In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Pepperstone Trade History. Whether you're using MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or Pepperstone Web Trader, exporting a clean record of your trades is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the most common paths and share a few helpful pointers so your statement looks the way you expect. Let's start with MetaTrader, since that's what most traders use. Open MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, then look toward the bottom of the platform for the toolbox in MT5 or the terminal in MT4. Inside that panel, switch to the Account History tab. This is where all your closed trades and balance operations live. Right-click anywhere inside the list to choose your time period. You can pull All History, the last 3 months, or set a custom period if you need a specific date range. Custom is handy when you're preparing monthly reports or tax summaries because it lets you narrow the data precisely. Once your period is set, right-click again and select Save as Report or Save as Detailed Report. Both options generate an HTML file you can save to your computer, and both will open in any web browser. A standard report gives you the essentials and is lighter to share, while a detailed report includes more breakdowns and is useful if you want extra context. When you open the report, you'll see your entry and exit prices, lot sizes, profit or loss on each position, any swap and commission charged, and the exact time each trade was executed and closed. This format makes it easy to trace your performance across symbols and strategies. If you prefer Pepperstone Web Trader, the process is just as simple. Open the Web Trader, head to Portfolio, and click Account Statements. Choose the time period you need, then click Generate Statement. The platform compiles your statement and makes it available for download so you can keep a copy for your records or share it with your accountant or trading coach. A quick tip for anyone who analyzes results in Excel or keeps a trading journal. Because MetaTrader exports to HTML, you can open that file and convert it to CSV or Excel for deeper analysis. Many journal tools accept imports from HTML or CSV, and converting makes it easier to sort, filter, and chart your performance over time. That's it. With these methods, you can reliably export your Pepperstone trade history from MT5, MT4, or WebTrader, keep your records organized, and stay on top of your performance.